How to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can convert the BTC to USDT by following some methods. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first of all, open your Bybit app. After that, simply log in into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So in order to change the BTC to USDT, you just need to simply tap on the search bar and here search for BTC. Just type in BTC. After that, here you will get a bunch of pairs here on how you can convert like BTC to USDT, BTC to USDC, like those. So in order to change the BTC to USDT, you just need to tap on this BTC/USDT pair. After that, if it is on buy, just simply tap on sell here. And here you just need to enter the amount of BTC that you want to convert to USDT and simply tap on sell and your conversion will be completed. So therefore, by following those methods, you can convert BTC to USDT. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.